update on the jams. So all the jams, these are the sample jams. So no mold was formed, no mold developed, and so it has been how many days since I did this? April 25. It's going for a month, and yeah, except for this, is there mold? Strawberry wine that was opened. Strawberry wine that was opened. Yeah, so the strawberry wine that was opened looks like developing mold. So once it's open, it has to be refrigerated. All the other jams are still good, including this strawberry wine. So, and then the other strawberry honey. Okay, the strawberry honey. So those that were opened already formed molds. But that's the mold for the strawberry honey. But so once opened, it really has to be put in the fridge. All the other jams are still good. No molds were developed, including the mango. Okay. So the usual, once the jams are open, because they have no preservatives, they have no it was like chemical preservatives. They don't have any chemical preservatives. Okay, so I already have the ingredients for the banana mango jams. I already have them. So tomorrow I'm gonna make the jams, and also because I'm supposed to make just one product tomorrow. It's either the jams or the cake, but I might do the banana mango jam and then the cheesecake. And so that's it for the jams and then the cake. I'll tell you what it is like for the jams, but they're very healthy. There's no as I told you, they have no preservatives. So once it's opened, it's a protocol. It's a protocol that you have to put it in the fridge like any other foods. But these jams, they have already lasted for almost, because it's on its third week, 16, 25, and then 16. And the room temperature here is 26. And so I bought a 26, and says here it's around 20, what's this? 27, 26 and 27. And they're still good with 26 and 27, except those that were already opened. Okay. So I'm not gonna put the spread. Most probably it will just be the fruit jams. So that's it for tonight. Thank you.